This Marx-Bensdorf Realtors property video is presented by Myra Sheddan. Spacious open floor plan, high ceilings plus arched doorways. Hardwood entry, great room, dining area, and kitchen. Tiled bathrooms, laundry room and back door. Corner fireplace in great room. Kitchen is open to great room featuring breakfast bar and island. Open, vaulted dining area has big window. Split bedroom plan. Primary suite has great walk-in closet and luxury bath featuring separate tub and shower. Spectacular updated/upgraded lighting. All brick exterior, rear entry garage plus fenced patio. For more information, review the details below or contact Myra Sheddan at 901-682-1868.